How to fix PiP mode not working on YouTube. First, for those who don't know, picture-in-picture mode let you watch YouTube videos in a small floating window while using other apps. It's perfect for multitasking, but it does not always work as expected. Let's go through the steps to fix it. First of all, open the setting app on your mobile device. Tap on General. Go to Picture-in-Picture section and ensure the toggle is enabled. If not enabled, you can do toggle switch turn on. Go back on your settings. Tap on General. Go to iPhone storage. Tap on the search bar. Search for YouTube. Tap on YouTube. You can see two options: upload app or delete app. You can tap on upload app, and again clearing the cache and data can be helped. Go back your home screen. Finally, don't underestimate the power of simple restart. Sometimes a quick reboot can resolve temporary glitch affecting PiP functionality. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these fixes got picture-in-picture mode working for you. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tech tips from me. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.